These super easy, delicious brownies have no grains, no bad fats, no refined sugar, and no dairy. Black beans, besides being loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, are packed with protein which stabilizes blood sugar. So you can enjoy a rich chocolate treat without the guilt or the sugar crash. Fit your food processor with a knife blade, then simply add all of your ingredients except the toppings. The recipe calls for 2 eggs. I'm using 1 because it's a large duck egg. Spray an 8x8 or 9x9 inch baking pan with baking spray. Stop your food processor 2 or 3 times to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Top with toppings if desired. And bake until the tester comes out clean. Serve these fudgy brownies warm from the oven. And if you like to bake, be sure to check out my wonderful gluten-free bread recipes, like wrap bread, banana bread, and calzones. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.